We have finally arrived at Old Trafford, and everyone is looking at this man, Cristiano Ronaldo. Who would have thought, after 12 years, almost 12 years, Real Madrid, Juventus, and coming back to Manchester United. Alex Ferguson, as expected, wouldn't want to miss such a spectacle. And everyone's eyes is on this man, Cristiano Ronaldo. Can he deliver? And a lot of pressure would be building up on him as he plays his first.
Good start by City so far. Here's Bernardo Silva. Almost got through that shot, but well defended by United nonetheless. It's only been early minutes of this game, and Manchester City always pressing on. Free kick for United. Here is Shaw to Maguire. Almost got there, Maguire. There may have been a hand involved, as appealed by some of the City players. And we have a cross from De Bruyne. Gundogan almost unlocking the first goal for City. Here's a look at Eric Bailly's unfortunate moment after playing so well against Atalanta. This had to happen, but City will not care. They will celebrate the goal nonetheless. First goal goes to Manchester City here at Old Trafford. It's only 9 minutes, and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, should he be worried? United, let's agree, has not been at their best in the last 2-3 matches. They did struggle against Atalanta.
The moment you've all been waiting for. PSG, Barcelona, this time at Camp Nou. Can they bring magic? Busquets already on yellow, he has to be careful. And critics contemplating on a possible move for Neymar in the coming season or two. We don't know where he's going to go. The fans, the audience at Camp Nou is electrifying at the moment. They'd be hoping for only one thing, Barcelona to come back from a 4-0 deficit in the first leg of the Champions League. And to come back from a 4-0 deficit, they better score sooner than later. Here's Suarez with a chance. From where we're sitting, that definitely looks in. I'm sure goal line technology will be used. That's confirmation. If there was ever a better start, this is the one they needed, Barcelona. 1 down, 3 to go for an equaliser. What can this man do for them? And PSG need not be complacent. I know they're already 3 goals ahead, but anything can happen. Here's Messi with the ball. Well defended. Here's a chance for Draxler with a cross. Definitely looks like a handball from Mascherano on his way down. PSG players complaining. No handball, says the referee. Corner for Barcelona. Well defended by PSG. Here's Messi trying to penetrate. Brought down by Draxler. Dia subay pisha ka Old Trafford. Hapdeng kaching ilaka jong ka Manchester United but ka Newcastle United. Kamtam kaching one pie Cristiano Ronaldo. Shakani ka Runsan English Premier League. Hadien kal Arsenal. Hadien bola ilaka ka Juventus. Kumjur ka Real Madrid. Ito not by Sir Alex Ferguson idon lamat ngi ha ka ne ka madan. Ndrei bon na pipi don hang ne nakadaw new brio. Cristiano Ronaldo. Laipun rius nem karta bon kiching kabilinti. Unla ne pan kentio. Ya, ke Manchester United. Pelat peningkong bau Bernardo Silva. Siapa peneng ke kiu untuk bol tambah ibiang bah terkom ya gol ke jong ke United. Bernardo Silva dari winning player jong ke tim Portugal ro. Jok tim bau ile ke Ronaldo Bruno Fernandes. Yo la du Maguire tambah ngatrai la bandai handball pada ki pet yang tu replay mentang. Come pressure bhaka City banyak United. Cross now De Bruyne shot Gundogan Chandrung in pet yang yakan di ka Jinx New Box ka jong Eric Bailly. Sha ka cara jong boy drung tu ka ball. Sen hi nomor ba tu ka game khaddo pat ka Atlanta lai la kai bahasa Eric Bailly. Tamba Manchester City ni por pun ya kurbe ya ka tu ka gol ka basyo ai. Hato kalau adik porman kuslai mo ya Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Bon ki pa social media ro ki kwa bon mi no nomor ki batch pel adep ke United kamda khambiang than hakro ko mi akai ka game ka bangila ko mi lenti hapadeng artili kini ki team club jong ka Europe ki ba he tam ka PSG pat ka Barcelona Busquets lah dalam lepas yellow card hapan siar bonum lek keluar pan sumat phang akan ke game pro atlet di tim ni i star keluar lek ka ki pau nam sisa Iniesta pat Thiago pro atlet ki kapten kini tim Fonsen ni pe kini ki Argut Cavani pat Messi atau ki la ne pan tap gol akan ka game ko banta lom bercerong dalam tak Barcelona kil arem maka fast leg da saulan not kin la ne man wan pai biang kakabuk siar ya Suarez akan ekor kila bani oso kecing ya Ben kecing ya Bu Henry ha ka golai teknologi te melasyo pansyo gol kuma abadi cik kepada Suarez belenum kuben layo tap hapo ka arminet lai minute kam tam ha bakiran kam sau gol pan penyedron player PSG ri pam komi bon bet sudah dia kadek pot ngat try kedung slide tani nomor pa ka Barcelona kena hap salai gol man penetron ya kan ka game bon sta Messi masa kini no kalat na po PSG ning bau Draxler i ku badai handball por bahap Mascherano ketika dia yang 24 minutes to replay jing pan ka bajur Andre buang referee corner jong Barcelona Messi sasisian bet se kecik step 24 langat yellow card bet Draxler
Aki commentary ke per kila adon tin Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, kiwi regional languages ngai pak tin Khasi ro khwes ngi kan sapoi shak tak rensan Malaysia ladang ipet ya ka Star Sport ni football matches Star Sports Select HD Star Sports 1 Star Sports 2 pinla ngatrai ko wis ngi la ban select ro ya tin Khasi kan bangin chet ko manglong ni ban le commentary tila da pidang pet ya kan video kan umta publish bon ko por jong phi nganget ba kan ko video kan aimen sim kam tang kitu ki baton ha kapor ban plila plinti ba ngiru ngila thrai bangin le commentary ha ki rensan ko per kala ba de football de cricket ngila man stang shwa ni baret ko ki football tournaments ki baret ha ki snong ki thau ki district la ni ki block ha ko wis ni kala man long hapulo ro pemla wat te kata te publish bon session na social media all the best